Hi, I'm Laura Gallagher of Laura's Healthy Style, and I am making Turkish lemon cupcakes. Wow, these are so delicious. And the standard recipe includes almond flour and sugar. So I use almond flour because it's very keto, but I also use monk fruit instead of sugar, which is zero glycemic. So it makes it almost perfectly keto. You can also use oranges instead. I boiled the lemons for 2 hours. 2 hours. I did take a lot of the seeds out, and then I put them in the blender, and then I mixed them with the almond flour and the monk fruit and eggs, a little bit of this organic vanilla. This is my favorite vanilla. It's so delicious. And then a dash of cinnamon. So now I'm loading up the baking sheet. I really like this Silpat baking sheet, which I already put some coconut oil in to help make the cupcakes come out much easier. So I'm loading this up, and then we'll bake it at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. It doesn't take that long because cupcakes, because they're so little, so it doesn't take that long to cook them. They are so delicious. And then we're going to use the cream cheese frosting on top. Whoa, that is, cream cheese frosting goes good on just about anything, doesn't it? One of my favorites.
Agreed.
And I always try to use organic ingredients as much as possible. So in this case, I am using pasture-raised eggs. The almond flour, it's really difficult to find organic almond flour and organic monk fruit, but I am using the highest quality ingredients that I can possibly find. Important for our health, right?
Worth
yes,
it.
and I did lose about 25 pounds on the keto diet. And this is one of those desserts I do like. I have a sweet tooth, I admit it. And so this is one of those desserts that you can eat without guilt, as long as you're on the keto diet, because it is a fairly dense recipe with the almond flour and the eggs. But that's what I love about keto, is that we're using whole ingredients. We're not scrimping, and we're able to eat good fats. So this is the coconut oil, that I like to use. As long as it's organic and it's extra virgin, that's what really matters. Okay, so now this is just about ready to go in the oven, and it's going to take about, like I said, about 20 minutes, and then we will frost these little guys.
350?
Yes, 350 degrees. There we go, right there. I'm going to make some cream cheese frosting for the lemon cupcakes that we just finished, the Turkish lemon cupcakes. So I'm taking a whole package of organic cream cheese, like this. I always try to use organic as much as possible. It's really important. And it's pretty easy to find. That's the great thing about organic cream cheese. Also, I'm using organic vanilla, and that was my oven. Just the lemon cupcakes are about to come out. So I really like vanilla. Vanilla really makes the flavor, enhances the flavor dramatically. So we're going to put a little extra vanilla in here. Most people just use a teaspoon. I'm going for a tablespoon here. And then we're going to use some of the monk fruit. And this is powdered monk fruit, zero glycemic. Very important when you are keto. It's important for everybody. Now we're just throwing a couple of spoonfuls of that. And one more thing I need to add. More organic heavy whipped cream. Let's put a little bit in there. This is going to be so delicious. Cream cheese is really good on everything, isn't it? This is way better than typical frosting. Cream cheese frosting is the best. Yum. Okay, we're gonna add a little cinnamon because my camera operator wants a little cinnamon in the
Yay!
frosting. So there we go. I'm gonna add just a little tiny bit more whipped cream too.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the perfect topping for those cupcakes. Cream cheese frosting is great on almost any cake that you make. It's fantastic for, of course, carrot cake and red velvet cake and chocolate cake and I don't know, what other cakes do you like cream cheese frosting on? Now we'll frost those cupcakes. In the meantime, when you get a chance, check out my other videos because I made some really good ones with chocolate cupcakes, the most amazing chocolate cupcakes, and keto bread. Wow, you know, I lost 25 pounds on the keto diet. It's not for everybody, but boy, it's great for me. These just came out of the oven. I love cooking. It's all a experiment for me. It's like a chemistry lesson. I loved chemistry. How about you? If you're a baker, if you're a cook, it's a lot of experimentation, right? So this is that cream cheese frosting that we made just a few moments ago. Wow. Okay, shall we try one?
You already tried one.
Okay, camera operator.
Oh, I get to?
You get to.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Zero glycemic. Might have to put an extra, a little bit of cream cheese frosting on there, huh? It's keto. It's low glycemic, so we can get away with a little extra. So like and subscribe and hit that bell, please. And also share with your friends. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I am happy to help you because I'm telling you, keto has really helped me. And apparently it's really good for about 80% of the people. Some people, it's better to stay on carbs. And in fact, I met somebody the other day who he does really well on a high carb diet. Not me. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell.